Here's my last video for you guys. I'm going to show you, once you have paid for TubeBuddy, you get this awesome part where you get subtitles added to your video. Sometimes they take a little while to generate, but when they're there, you can get it. Finally, they'll pop on. You push this button over here, and you can actually go over. It'll bring it up to here, and you can edit it. And then you just publish. Once you go through, you make sure that you have, let's see. It always does this with my last name. You go through, you can listen to it, make sure that it says all of the right stuff throughout there. I'm not going to go through the time to actually fix 100% of these because it generates fairly close. But once you go through and you actually have everything done, then you can publish your edits, and when they watch your video, you'll have the edited version. The coolest part about this is once you pop it back up and you have this, when you're doing your Facebook ads and your YouTube ads, then guess what? You download the SRT file and you can upload your YouTube ads, and you can actually make it so that it's on your ClickFunnels pages. Everything will have subtitles to it. Subtitles are going to be one of the biggest key components for you to be successful, because 80% of the videos that are watched on either Facebook or Instagram, any of that stuff is watched on mute. And on YouTube, there's a lot of times where people watch it on mute as well. So that if you have caption service to your videos, people are going to watch it on mute. And then there's also the hearing impaired. By doing videos with subtitles, you're going to be increasing your audience by tenfold. It's just hands down one of the best things to do. And the fact that you can download the file once you're there makes it even 100 times better, because guess what? Now you have word for word what you're saying. You can edit it, you can make it so it's proper, everything 100% what you need. And that's one of the coolest benefits about paying for your keywords everywhere, not keywords everywhere, YouTube, the TubeBuddy, is that you get your free editing software. When you go pay someone, I think it's like $5 a minute or something like that to go through and put subtitles to yours. When this does it for free, you can go through and edit it yourself. It takes a couple minutes, but you literally get to go through and make sure that it says what you want, where you want it, and have every little part to it. And especially if you're going to be doing Facebook ads that are Facebook compliant, videos convert at a higher rate than just pictures. So if you have a 2-minute video, because you want to do less than 2 minutes, well, I think they'd upped it to 120 seconds for the Instagram ads and Facebook ads. It used to be 59 seconds was the longest you could have one of your ads if you wanted to show up on Instagram and some of the other sources. If I remember right, they boosted it up to 120 seconds, so 2 minutes. If you have it so it's, let's say, 110 seconds, and you're putting enough of a hook on there that they watch that video, that they want to go to your landing page that's Facebook compliant, then you're going to convert higher. The 2 tips for Facebook ads that I've found is that carousel ads, so multi-picture ads, and then videos have the highest conversion rates. And if you do your videos, like I said, you're going to want to have subtitles to it, and this is the best way to get subtitles to do it. And you know, if you're going to be spending $5 per minute and you're going to be doing a bunch of videos per month, like I'm trying to do 30 videos this month, then it's going to be hard to pay for all of that when it comes with your TubeBuddy. If you're paying $9.99, I'm pretty sure it comes with, or maybe it only comes with the 20, you'd have to go through that licensing part that I showed you that has everything in it that you need, and go and check that out. But it's cool to have subtitles added to your YouTube videos, because it takes off a lot of weight off your shoulders, and it does what you need it to do. So that's my little mini thing about caption service and having it on your videos and what it can do for you.